Sometimes our hearts exhausted and running out in pain. Each step we take feels weary, all efforts are in vain. No hand of mercy, no lighthouse we will see. There's someone calling to restore and set you free. Jesus, He's calling out to you. Jesus, He wants to set you free. He's waiting there beside you. Just reach out, He's calling out to you. Times our lives feel burdened, when our deeds can't be forgiven. No hope, no destination, we feel bound to condemnation. A hopeless route we're sailing on the sea. Someone calling to restore and set you free. Jesus, He's calling out to you. Jesus, He wants to set you free. He's waiting there beside you. Just reach out, He's calling out to you. When life is lost in darkness, are shattered. Hear His voice is calling you. Just reach out and He will guide you through. Jesus, He's calling out to you. Jesus, He wants to set you free. He's waiting there beside you. Just reach out, He's calling out to